that they went missing. They ran off somewhere.
Yeah. It's like
Okay. I prefer you without makeup.
because my eyebrows is getting thinner, so I want to add more color. Right?
Want
Anyway,
to
friends.
deceive everybody of your aging.
Say Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
We're going to some kids play area for some New Year event. So meron silang countdown na instead of countdown na New Year's Eve for the kids, we're gonna have the countdown for 12 noon. 'Di ba? Para maranasan for kids. Para maranasan ng mga bata mag-countdown kasi dito hindi uso yung maghihintay ka talaga ng 12 midnight sa mga bahay-bahay tapos magka-countdown unless you do it for yourself, you know. Pero kami hindi rin kami naghihintay kasi maliliit pa naman yung mga bagets namin. Tapos may mga parties sa mga downtown, sa mga iba-ibang lugar na pwede niyong puntahan at makiparty kayo at mag-countdown. Pero again, our kids are small so hindi kami pumupunta sa mga ganon. Kaya yung New Year's Eve namin wala lang talaga. Kaya pupunta kami sa kids, para sa kids na New Year countdown experience.
Look at me. Die.
I'm trying to remember.
Yeah.
We're going to the I don't like it.
Different colored tassels, you can pick your favorite color, and then you can put a clover in it, which represents good luck on the new year, or an evil eye, which represents keeping bad intentions away. Colored tassel, and then you get to put either a clover, which represents good luck on the new year, or an evil eye, which represents keeping bad intentions away from you.
This is for Andrew. He's not in the mood. I wonder why. Andrew, for you.
There you go.
Then you can get that thing.
Yep, so you can collect all your beads, and then you can turn it into a little, like, or get to play while you wait for it to set. But you take this and you pour it into a water tub.
Okay, now we'll see what is the shade.
I think.
It's like a boat also.
Oh yeah.
Wow, maybe you're gonna have a new boat toy this year. Okay.
You can take it with you.
Yeah. You only want one color?
Well, there's gonna be one color, and like some parts are not colored. There's just gonna be one.
Let's see.
It can watch.
I'm watching.
Then look there. It's gonna. See, that's mine.
Oh, I see.
That is green.
Nice color.
That's green.
Where is it gonna go? Maybe the end.
A cow. Sit.
Sit? No, do not sit. Please do not sit. Is this your car?
Can I buy for TikTok? One, thank you.
Oh, just like that?
You can wrap around like, a ring.
Let's count down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! I dropped mine. It's empty. It's there. But it's empty. Oh, sorry.
I think there was just a whole thing of like full of that just passed. There you go. It's
actually 31st today, December 31. But today is kind of like our celebration for New Year's Day. So yun, kumain na kami sa labas. Hindi naman kami maghahanda mamayang gabi. Tapos, bukas may trabaho siya. He's working tomorrow. So, we don't really have much of a celebration. But it's okay. And today is not holiday. So, we still have to pack orders actually. So, he will he will do it.
Yeah. Because
You
mommy's
will-
tired.
I'm so tired. I'm so sleepy. I'm gonna take a nap with Maya and Andrew, probably. But hey, what's our New Year's goal or 2025 goal? Do we have goal? I don't know. If we're not gonna talk about the goals, I feel like that goal that we have.
New Year's resolution: lose weight, save money. What's all
Typical.
this? Yeah.
Typical
Be
New Year's
rich.
resolution. I feel like we have the same goal since what? When did we start having that goal?
I don't know.
Oh my god, yeah, we have the same goal since we got married. I feel like we have the goal. It's all about saving money, right? But I don't know how I'm explaining that. I guess we can just say that we do have a goal, but it's, I mean, for our family, but it's not really about when are we gonna get that goal. We don't know yet because we're still working on it. I think it applies what I read or see online. Do you remember this? I think we watched that reels. It says don't set the goal, set your system.
Create systems, not goals.
Create
Because
system.
every day you have not like completed your goal, you're losing, you're failing.
Yeah,
And
you
every
feel
time
like-
every day you take a step, like you know, your system, like you go to the gym every day or once a week or something, or you know, put $10 aside for investing or something.
Yeah.
You're being successful every time you do that.
In terms of our financial family goal, I feel like we do have a goal, but we don't really have like a set time on when do we want that, right? But we are working on that every single day. Like, well, I guess it's about earning more and spending less. We set that system. That's how we work on getting our goals. Does that make sense?
Sure. It's very vague.
Very vague, yeah.
Yes.
We're home.
Nagpo-pull out ako ng mga orders at magpapak. Nakatulog si Maya at si Andrew. So, it's my chance. Alright. Ito yung ating mga nabenta. Ito yung 3D printed ni Mister. Nakita nyo? Tapos na ang Pasko pero may umorder pa din. So, minsan kahit seasonal yung mga product, ibenta nyo lang, merong bibili. Tapos itong pinull out ko na litter mat, panglatag para sa mga pusa. And then isang, anong tawag dyan? Nail falsies, nail polish. Actually, marami pa ako nail polish na nabenta. Hindi ko pa na-pull out, pero mamaya na. Uunahin ko lang to kasi in case na magising si Maya, magte-take over si Mister. So, ayan. Medyas, isang set. Dalawang set ng underwear, playtex na bra, at isang set ng panty. Kakalist ko lang yan from Coles Liquidation. Wala pang isang buwan na benta na. Parang 1 or 2 weeks old pa lang. Isang wallet na benta ko from, binili namin sa Ross. Tapos, ayan, niresell. And then isang frame. Frame ba ang tawag dyan? Parang pang dekorasyon sa wall. Ayan, tapos isang tablecloth. So, unahin natin to. Madali yan lang, friends. Kaya ako'y malikot habang tumichika. So, kanina naputol yung aking chinichika kasi nasa bahay na kami. Pero parang gusto ko mag-share ng, alam niyo, yung New Year's goal, ano yung mga balak ninyo ngayong darating na bagong taon 2025. So, sa totoo lang, wala nga kaming New Year's resolution. Hindi uso sa amin yun. Pero, ako, personally, I want to go back to working out para maging strong ulit ako. Sa aging na ba to, na parang lagi masakit yung katawan ko, lagi akong pagod. Syempre, nag-iiba yung katawan natin kapag tayo ay nagkakaanak na. So, that's one goal for me. Pero, syempre, sa totoo lang, ang kalaban natin dyan ay dumansik lang yung aking friend. Nagluto siya ng cassava cake at pina-order niya. So, umorder ako. Salamat ka lang. Alam mo, pampasaya ng mga Filipino yung Filipino food sa ibang bansa, 'di ba? Kapag tayo ay nakakakain ng Filipino food, lalo na kung hindi tayo yung nagluto, tapos swak na swak sa lasa na gusto natin, it feels like home, 'di ba? And then going back sa pinagsasabi ko kanina na ano ba yung sinasabi ko kanina? Yun nga, yung personally, ang goal ko lang talaga is maging malakas ulit. Maging malakas ulit. Yung gusto ko maramdaman ulit yung pakiramdam ko dati na ang gaan-gaan ng katawan ko, ang dami kong energy, lagi akong buhay na buhay, hindi ako laging pagod. I'm sure it's partly aging, partly dahil nagbe-breastfeed ako, nanganak ako, and all that, halo-halo na. But then I know na kung babalik ako mag-workout, sisigla ulit ang aking katawan. Plus, syempre, mag-vitamins. I want to care more for myself, 'di ba? Sabi nga nila, you care for yourself muna para mas maalagaan mo yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. So, if I want to enjoy more ang aking, tingnan mo, pag tumichikat talaga ako Anong weight nito? 2 pounds. Gusto ko maging malakas at masigla para masigla at masaya din ang pag-aalaga ko, pakikipaglaro ko sa mga anak ko. And then, syempre, para mas madami tayong matrabaho dito sa ating negosyo. Yan ang aking personal goal. Pero, sa family naman, kami ni Ryan, wala nga kaming, parang specific na goal. Wala talaga. Kasi, yung goal namin is, siguro goal din naman ng mga maraming mag-aasawa na makapag-ipon, makapagpundar. We just want to save, prepare for the future, invest. Ayan talaga yung mga pinaglalaanan, pinag-iipunan namin. So, wala kaming specific na time for kung ano yung bibilhin namin, kung ano yung gusto namin gawin. Sabi nga ni Ryan kanina, we just set the system. We don't, ano yung sabi niya? Parang we set the system, not the goal. So parang meron kaming goal, pero very broad kasi siya. So yun nga, makaipon, makapagpundar, 'di ba? Pero how do you get there? You have to make sure na your system is good. So parang hindi kami na-stress na, 5 taon na tayo mag-asawa, hindi pa natin na-achieve yung goal natin, ganyan. So umabot na ng 7 taon, hindi pa din. So we just keep on working on dun sa system para ma-achieve namin yung goal namin, kumbaga. So like sa amin, sa case namin is earn more and spend less. Kita nyo naman ang simple-simple lang talaga ng lifestyle namin. Talagang ayan yung dinevelop namin na system na sinasabi namin kanina na we try to earn more. Ito, nagpo-part-time kami, nagbi-business kami, marami kaming tinatry ng mga racket. We try to earn as much as we can without sacrificing the time with the family. So far, achieve naman namin yun. Pero the other part of that is spend less. So sa spend less, may budget kami. Ayun lang yung sinusunod namin. Kumakain kami sa labas, pero limit lang. Nagta-travel kami, may limit lang, may budget lang. Talagang medyo stricto kami sa aming pagbabudget. Stricto kami sa aming mga gastusin. So, yun yung sinasabi namin kanina na parang set your system, not your goal. Kasi parang at the end of the day, kung nasanay na kami dun sa sistema na sinet namin for ourselves, which is, yun nga, kung gaano lang kami kadalas kumain sa labas, kung gaano lang yung budget namin sa pagbili ng mga ibang kagustuhan, yung pagta-travel, mga expenses dyan, kung consistent kami dun sa system na sinet namin, we will be eventually reaching our goal. Okay? So, parang ganun. I don't know, sabi niya nga, parang very broad or very vague daw yung aming sagot. Simple lang. Simple lang. Simpleng pangarap. Oh, also friends, I want to say, shout out naman tayo ng konti. Shout out sa aking subscriber na si Miss Ruby. Hello, kausap ko siya kanina. Natagpuan niya ako sa Facebook kasi small world. Meron akong subscriber yan nga, si Miss Ruby of Canada, na nag-subscribe siya sa akin. Tapos nalaman namin na meron kaming common friend. Ayun na naman tayo sa mga small world moment natin. Si Miss Ruby ay mayroong co-teacher, basta kakilala niya sa Pilipinas o kaklase sa Pilipinas noong college na kakilala ko taga dito, teacher din. At doon siya nagtuturo sa dati kong pinagturuan na school. So, share lang. Small world kasi. Nakakatuwa din kausap to si Miss Ruby. Wait lang, meron pa ba akong na-miss? Walmart, Mercari. Pasok na ako at baka umiiyak na ang aking bunso. Okay, tapos na. Hindi ko lang alam. Anong oras na ba? Makakapag-deliver pa ba ang aking asawa? Kaya pa 4:30. Sarado kasi sila bukas. So, paano kaya to? It's here. Closer to the... Thank you, Clan. Yung aking friend ay dumaan kanina para mag-drop off ng food. Na-order ko. Nagpapa-order siya ng food. Masarap siya talaga magluto. Kaso, meron siyang baby. Parang medyo busy time talaga siya. Kasal cake. This is coconut macaron. Remember earlier in the sushi restaurant, you like the coconut cake? This is like that. But this is called macaroons. So,
It's actually same taste as the kinky, but just different shape.
different shape, but it's the same as the cake.
Yeah,
So,
taste the same. So
Ay,
good.
so good. Tulog pa yung dalawang bunso. Tapos si Mr. Nung pagkabalik ko, mukhang pagod din. So sabi niya siya naman daw siya ang magnanap. Ang plano ako yung magnanap Pero nawala yung antok ko. Tapos napunta sa kanya. So yun, nagnanap si Mr. Parang today is more like, ito yung New Year's Day namin, holiday. So 31, end of the year. Ito yung parang pahinga. Pero bukas, holiday, pero mag-work ako. Ayun naman, ako naman yung parang naniniwala sa mga kasabihan na parang kapag kung ano yung ginagawa mo ng first day of the year, yun din yung gagawin mo for the rest of the year. So, I want to be productive. Bukas, kahit na may work semester, mag-work din ako para sa business. Para, wala lang. Ayun daw yung mangyayari. Para busy all year. Para pagod all year. Yung kape ko. Anyways, so, salamat kay Klang sa aking friend na nagluto nito. At masarap talaga siya magluto. Sa totoo lang, hindi dahil kaibigan ko siya. Masarap talaga siyang magluto. At nanonood siya ng vlog ko. So, hi Klang. And ang message ko sa'yo, ba't may pa-message? Keep on cooking. Kasi ang Filipino food is another source of happiness yan ng mga Filipino abroad, diba? For sure, marami tayong namimiss na food. Tapos, kapag nakain natin yan, it feels like home. Diba? It tastes like home. So, we are a little bit happier. Kaya, sa mga magagaling dyan magluto ng mga Filipino food, magluto lang kayo na magluto. Kasi pampasaya yan ng mga kababayan na hindi marunong magluto. Diba? Si Maya. Nagising si Maya. Baby.
Hello. Hi. I'm your daddy.
Andrew talaga naman.
The sound of disapproval from mommy.
Andrew always wants to go so close, look face to face. Always wants to kiss. Daddy pa more? Maya, daddy pa more? Yeah? Nakikipag-usap ka na. Yeah. Ano, gutom ka na? Gutom ka na? Nyam, 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 nyam. Nyam, 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 nyam. Medyo relax lang tayo today. So, kanina after kung, ano ginawa namin? Relax lang, kain dito, pahinga dito, nood TV, ganyan. Ayan, ang dami ko nakain kasaba. Nakita niyo yung isang try kanina? Siguro mga, hindi naman 1/4. mga 1/6 ganyan. Ang dami ko nakain, sakit na ng tiyan ko. Pero si Andrew, nagustuhan niya yung cassava cake. So, may ka-share ako. Ayan, i-share ko din yan sa aking in-laws pag pumunta kami, I think, sa isang araw. Ayan. Yum, yum, yum. Tapos, si Maya, panay na ang daldal. Ayan. Ganchilyo break. Panay ang ganchilyo ko ngayon. Gaganchilyo muna tayo. Kasi, ayan ang ating libangan. Kapag nagbabantay ng bata, gusto ng bata ng kausap, tapos si mami, magaganchilyo in between. Panay ako paggaganchilyo recently. Mula nung nagkaanak ako ng babae, ito si Maya, parang na-motivate ulit ako na magganchilyo ng bongga. Mahilig talaga ako ng magganchilyo, kaya lang, siguro, kasi karamihan ng ganchilyo project is for girls talaga, So, nung 2 boys yung anak ko, parang wala akong masyadong maisip na project. So, yan, si Maya na yung aking laruan. Siya na yung aking model. Siya ang aking doll. Right? Kaya siya ang ginagawan ko ng maraming project. Tapos nanood ako ng Squid Game nung nakaraan. Ito ginawa ko. Kung nanood kayo ng Squid Game, alam niyo po ba kung sino yung nagsuot nito sa palabas na Squid Game? Comment nyo nga kung napanood niyo yung Squid Game ito. Na-inspire ako dun sa isang part lang. Di lang may isa. Parang may isang part lang dun sa kwento ng Squid Game na may nagsuot nito. Kung napansin nyo. Hatching! So, para ito kay Maya. Tapos, nainggit si Andrew. Sabi niya, gawan ko din daw siya ng hat. So, naisip ko, ito cute naman diba? Parang duck siya, duck na hat. Tapos, maliit pala, mali yung aking pag-measure. Ang mineasure ko kasi talaga, yung ulo ni Lucas, kasi tulog si Andrew that time. Tapos, mineasure ko yung ulo ni Lucas. Sabi ko, liliitan ko lang ng konti. Tapos, para kay Andrew na, parang ganun. Napaliit ng sobra yata. Ayan, hindi kasha. So, kay Maya na lang. Ngayon, dahil hindi yan nagkasya kay Andrew, nagtatampo si Andrew. Hindi magtatampo. Parang gawan ko nga din daw siya. So, ito na yung kay Andrew. Sure na ito nakakasya sa kanya.
Hulaan nyo kung anong animal ito. Request niya. Hulaan nyo na lang po kung anong animal itong ginagawa kong hat para kay Andrew. Comment nyo. Hindi ko muna ilalagay no. Sa next vlog ko na ipapakita. Makikita. Ano? Gutom ka na naman? Ha? Pakalong ka ng pakalong? Ha? Si Maya ay lagi nang gising. Lagi na rin nagpapakalong. Lagi na rin. Gusto na laging kausap. Nakikipagdaldalan na rin. Ang batang yan. Happy New Year, friends! Teka, mag-goodbye tayo dun sa tatlo. Naglalaro sila dun sa kwarto. Oh my goodness! They're playing sand.
Keep it inside the...
You got too excited. Guys, can you say Happy New Year to everybody?
New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you for watching us.